Hello everyone, with artprograms. In this video we speak about clean architecture to Flutter and speak about data layer. Data layer, this layer is responsible for communicating with server side and data management logic. What about data source? Describes the process to acquire and update the data. This is the place decided whether to get the data from the server side or use the data in the DB or cache. What about model? A model will not depend on the data that acquired from server side. A model is used for the presentation layer. Repository, the bridge between data layer and domain layer. We will use translator in repository in order to convert the data. Now we open IDE and write data layer. Write folder data, then write model and write file home data source .dart, add home data source type .dart, and now we write abstract class home data source type, write class home data source, then implements, then home data source type, and need add packages Firebase Core, Cloud Firestore, Flutter block. These packages we use to serious clean architecture to Flutter, and now we open home data source .dart and write method static future list. Now we write dynamic and name method we write get products and write async, maybe now void, and we open model and create model product data model. Write file product data model .dart and write class product data model, write string and then title, then string description, then string image, string price, required this title, description, image, price, and now we write map string dynamic, write to JSON return, then map title, description, price, then we write factory, write product data model from document, write document snapshot, write doc, import package, then we write string title, description, image, price, write try catch, doc dot get title, then description, price, and write return, write product data model, and save. Then we open home data source, write list product data model, write Firebase Firestore, then write Firebase Firestore, Firebase Firestore dot instance, and write list product data model, result, try on Firebase exception catch, and write final response dot response await Firebase Firestore collection products dot get, then write result list product data model, then write from response dot docs map item from document to list write a log, and write return result. Save. Then we open home data source type, write future, then list product data model, get products, then write override, save. This all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.